Most people get the Peanut app wrong by thinking it's just another dating app, but the surprising truth is that it's built specifically for women connecting over motherhood, fertility, and life stages. Today, I'm sharing my full experience using Peanut so you know what to expect before downloading. When you first open Peanut, you're guided through a quick setup where you select your interests, life stage, and location. This is crucial because the app uses these preferences to match you with like-minded women in your area. Most people get this wrong by assuming matches are random, but Peanut's algorithm is very community-focused. The main feature is connections. This is where you swipe to connect with other members who share your interests for parenting stage. For example, I connected with other new moms in my city, which made arranging meetups for exchanging advice much easier. You can also join group chats around specific topics, like sleep routines or pregnancy health, which adds a layer of community support that's missing in many other social apps. Another standout feature is events. Peanut sometimes recommends local events or online meetups based on your profile and interests. This is particularly helpful if you're looking to network or meet moms outside of your immediate circle. The app also emphasizes safety and privacy. Profiles are moderated, and you can control who sees your activity. Messaging is simple and secure, making it easy to have meaningful conversations without spam or harassment. On the downside, some users might find the initial swiping interface familiar from dating apps, but it's worth remembering that the goal here is community building, not romance. Engagement can also vary depending on location. Smaller cities may have fewer active members. In conclusion, Peanut is a unique platform for women looking to connect around life stages and shared experiences. Its combination of swiping, groups, and events makes it more than just a social app. It's a supportive community. Subscribe for more honest app reviews to help you choose tools that truly enhance your daily life.